my way, my way, my way, all day, my way, my way.
What's up, my loves? It's Chef You Love My Little Way and Zay Kitty. Today is Taco Tuesday and we're having chicken and beef. Taco lasagna. Say chicken and beef. Taco lasagna. What? If you need that recipe, it's down below because we already did that. So, but it's only right to have
Fruity Pebble taco desserts.
Yes. So, let's get started. First, Bella, tell them what they need.
Fresh fruit, vanilla extract, butter, marshmallows, whipped cream, cheesecake, and don't forget your fruity pebbles.
Your fruity pebbles. Okay, first things first, you're going to take 8 tablespoons of butter, put it in your pan, turn that down on between low and medium. Now, I buttered my spatula so that when my marshmallows in here, it doesn't stick to it as much. So you just want to put this in there. And you want to cook it slow because if not, your marshmallow mixture will become hard as a rock once it is intertwined with your Fruity Pebbles. Now, that was 4 cups of marshmallows. Now, we're just going to let this melt down. And then we'll tell you what to do from there. Okay, while this is still melting down, Zayla has poured us 2 cups of Fruity Pebbles. So, we're just showing you a little bit of how it looks now. It's getting there. They're melting down, but they're swelling a little first. Let that keep cooking slowly and melting down. Then you're going to add your Fruity Pebbles. Okay, as you can see, the marshmallows have basically melted down and is intertwined with the butter. Zayla's going to add her vanilla extract. And that's basically a teaspoon. That's going to give a little bit more flavor, even though the Fruity Pebbles have a lot of sugar and flavor, and so does these marshmallows. But as you can see, here we go. So Zayla has 2 cups of Fruity Pebbles that she's about to pour into the bowl. Go ahead, pour it in the pot. Slowly, please. Pour it in slowly. And again, these are 2 cups. Keep going. And this is where that buttering your spatula comes in at. Handy. Thank you. Alright, we're going to remove this from the heat and keep stirring. Just like this. Now, we're going to spread this flat so that it can take its shape and let it cool. And then we're going to cut out the circles for the tacos. Okay, I poured it out of the pot. I handled it because of the marshmallow is very sticky and hot and it will stick to you. So, Zayla's going to make sure it's really flat so that we can take it and put the circle cookie cutters and make these tacos. So, we're just going to let this sit and cool for about 10 to 15 minutes and we'll be back. Now, we're about to cut these in circles and then shape them into a little taco and add the cheesecake. And that recipe is going to hit the link below also because we've done that. So Zayla's going to add it to the piping bag. And while she does that, we're using a glass to hold it up. There you go. About 2 more scoops. Okay, now that she's added that in there, she's going to go ahead and cut these circles with the cookie cutter. Go ahead and press it down really, really hard. Put all your might into it. There you go.
You strong little baby.
Now, wait. Switch it. Twist it a little. Break up that marshmallow. Okay. She's going to do 2 more.
Give it all your might, baby.
There you go. Okay. We're going to remove the little excess Rice Krispie treat off around it. You're going to take this one, flip it over. We're going to fold it like a little taco. Put it in a little dish. Zayla's going to add her cheesecake in the middle. Oops, sorry. She's going to squeeze a straight line across. Do you one more? Cross this side.
This way?
Mm-hmm. Nope, side that.
Squeeze it.
There you go. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay.
And then right here.
Wait, hold on. There you go. Okay, now she's going to add her fresh fruit. Let's close it a little bit more. There you go. Add your fruit. Whatever you want on there. This is your taco. Okay, and now your whipped cream. Chantilly cream, please. Mm-hmm. Now she's just adding a little bit of chantilly cream right on top. Okay. There you have it. Your Fruity Pebble taco dessert. Zayla, tell them what they need to know.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down your favorite part. See you next time.
See you next time. All right, guys. You're going to take 8 tablespoons of butter. Going to put it in your saucepan, just like that.
Wow.
That was a no-no. What's up, my loves? It's Chef D Love Mosway and Kitty.